Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can name a location on Google Map application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to name a location on Google Map, firstly open your Google Map application. Zoom and pan around to find the exact place or location you want to name. Long press on the exact location. You can see the options will pop up on the screen. First, we can either navigate or get the direction to the exact positions of Google Maps. You can also save it to the list by selecting Save, which is great if you want to save several different locations, maybe create a route or be able to navigate. If you want to share the specific location, all you need to do is select share and then you can email it or text it or put it in any of the social medias. Now, finally, if you select label, you can give the location a name or address it in the Google Map. You can just click on label, add an address to Google Map. This is how you can add address to your Google Map application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.